Oftentimes at dog parks or close to someone's property, they may have their dog off of a leash, or the dog may escape the yard for whatever reason. We all know that typically most communities do require that a dog be kept on a leash when it's outside of the owner's property. But at dog parks, it's a place that you bring your dog, you take the dog off the leash and let it run around and play with the other dogs. So it does unfortunately happen frequently at dog parks where someone who brings their dog to a dog park may get bit or attacked by someone else's dog and the dog's not on the leash. That dog owner that is responsible doesn't necessarily have the obligation to keep the dog on the leash at the dog park, but they still have an obligation to watch over and oversee their dog to make sure it doesn't bite or attack anyone. And certainly if the dog has dangerous propensities or has bit in the past, then they probably shouldn't have brought the dog to the dog park. You just never know what could happen with dogs who have been known to bite in the past. So the answer regarding a question of whether or not you can pursue a claim or an injury claim with a dog who has bit you at a dog park or a situation where the dog is off the leash is absolutely something that you can pursue, because the duties and obligations for a dog owner are still in play. And even though they have the legal right to take the dog off the leash, it doesn't mean that the dog has the ability to attack or bite someone. So if you've been bit by a dog at a dog park, on the street, or at a park where someone let their dog run around, absolutely have the ability to recover and receive compensation for those injuries. And you should also consult with an attorney. These are the types of cases that we handle and we specialize in here at Mazow McCullough. Feel comfortable giving us a call at the office. We're happy to go over any questions that you may have over the phone. Happy to meet for a free consultation to go over what the process may look like going forward if you have a claim, and walk with you side by side through that process and to ultimately get you the recovery and the compensation that you deserve as a result of that attack.